Space is not a place made for life, and yet here we are. But what if we took a step beyond Earth, not to live, but to die? What would your final breath feel like on every planet of our solar system? This isn't just about science, it's about the edge of existence, where matter, pressure, time, and temperature collide with the limits of the human body. This is death among the stars. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, yet paradoxically, not the hottest. It's a world of extremes. Temperatures swing from freezing death to searing obliteration. You step onto its surface, no atmosphere to cushion you. Within seconds, your body begins to boil, internally, not from heat, but from exposure. Without air pressure, your bodily fluids vaporize. Blood, saliva, even the moisture in your eyes. But it's not fire that kills you, it's silence. Mercury offers no oxygen, no sound, no resistance. You try to scream, but nothing escapes. On the day side, your skin chars at 430 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit. On the night side, you freeze solid at minus 180 degrees Celsius, minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Either way, you die quickly, but not painlessly. Death here is not an event, it's an unraveling. At first, Mars feels calm. A pale pink sky stretches above endless deserts of rust. You remove your helmet, thinking perhaps you can take one breath. You can't. The air is almost entirely carbon dioxide. Your lungs try to inhale, but no oxygen comes. Within 15 seconds, you're unconscious. The low pressure makes your blood bubble. Your body swells slightly, your vision narrows. Your last sight is the distant sun, a faint, cold circle in the dusty sky. There is no solid ground here, only endless clouds and storms. You dive into the atmosphere. Winds scream at 600 kilometers per hour. Lightning the size of continents flashes around you. The deeper you fall, the more crushing the pressure becomes. Your bones shatter, your organs collapse. The temperature soars and hydrogen turns into metallic liquid under unimaginable force. You don't even reach the core. You're compressed into nothing long before you get there. Saturn's beauty is deceptive. Golden clouds, magnificent rings, and a death that is silent yet absolute. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant. The deeper you go, the more the pressure rises, until your body's crushed to atoms. But here the fall is slower, a dreamlike descent into endless haze, lightning flickering in the distance. Time stretches, your mind fades, and the last thing you feel is the weight of an entire world pressing you into nothingness. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system, with temperatures dropping to minus 224 degrees Celsius. You stand on a cloud deck of methane ice. The wind slices through your suit like knives. Your skin freezes solid in seconds. Your blood crystallizes. There's no sound, just the quiet hum of death in a place where the sun is barely more than a star in the distance. The winds here are the fastest in the solar system, 2,100 kilometers per hour. They tear at you, twisting limbs, breaking bones. The air is pure poison, and the cold is unbearable. You're tossed endlessly through sapphire blue clouds, deeper and deeper, until the pressure crushes every atom of your body. You vanish into the planet's eternal storm, lost forever. Second from the sun, and second to none in hostility, Venus, to poets, the goddess of beauty, to astronomers, Earth's twin. But this twin is twisted. Imagine this. You descend through golden clouds. There's a light everywhere, diffuse, glowing, surreal, like you're falling into a dream. But it's not a dream. It's a nightmare in slow motion. At 50 kilometers above the surface, the temperature is almost livable. Pressure? Tolerable. But the deeper you fall, the more the planet awakens. The air thickens. Light dims to amber. You're no longer falling. You're being swallowed. And then, the pain begins. Rain brushes against your helmet. But this rain is not water. It's acid, pure sulfuric acid. Each droplet tries to melt its way through your gear. If even one touches your skin, it dissolves. Your suit starts to deform. Plastic materials melt. Metal begins to bend. Inside, you feel the air growing heavier, crushing your chest even through your armor. The pressure is now 50 times Earth's and rising. Then you hit the surface. You hear nothing, not because it's quiet, but because there is no sound. Venus's atmosphere doesn't allow it. Outside, 475 degrees Celsius, that's enough to melt lead, to ignite wood without flame, to fry skin instantly, and you're standing in it. Your suit lasts seconds, maybe less. The visor cracks, heat surges in. You don't feel pain because your nerve endings are destroyed before they can react. Your blood boils inside. Your organs rupture from pressure. Your lungs try to expand but can't. You're being cooked from the inside out. But the worst part isn't the heat, or the acid, or the pressure. It's the awareness that you are utterly alone. Every planet tells a different story, a story of beauty and terror, wonder and finality. And perhaps in knowing these stories, we're reminded of the fragility of life on our small blue world. Because here on Earth, we can breathe, we can walk, we can live. And out there, every breath could be your last.